Hello, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at a new plugin from Kit Plugins called Core Comp. I was really impressed with the Kit Plugins N105 channel strip emulation of the Neve desk from Blackbird Studios, Studio A, and I was looking forward to checking this one out. I've got a sort of a heavy rock track here that I've been messing around with the thermionic culture filter, tracking guitars through the culture filter just on the way in. On this particular track I'm also using it on the drum bus just to add a little bit of density there. So the guitars, bass, everything were all tracked through the culture filter, just mangled the sound of them. I'll have a review up for this soon, hopefully. And yeah, for a compressor I was using the Slate FG Stress, which was doing a great job, but I bypassed FG Stress across all the tracks, and then I'm going to replace them with the Core Comp and see how it sounds. So I'll start off with it's not exactly the drum bus because I've separated out the kick here just so that the kick wasn't triggering the compressor. So this is overheads and snare. So yeah, I'll start off with the overheads and snare and see how it goes. So we'll bring the threshold back a bit so there's some gain reduction. Leave it at about 5 dB gain reduction. Bring the output up, compensate. Bring the body up a little bit. Try adjusting the tack time just to let some of the transients through. See there, that's affected the amount of gain reduction. Do an AB here. Yeah, so immediately that's got it sitting where I want it in the mix. Try it on the kick. Seems like increasing the output adds a saturation. So it's the combination of threshold and then the output will give you the kind of tone that you're after from this compressor. And body's adding a bit of weight. Let's try it on some guitars. Track through the culture vulture on the way in. committed. Pretty mangled sounding. Again on the guitar on the other side. Pardon me. Here. I've got this heavily distorted. The preset I think was called I Hate My Parents. Hear it in the context of the mix. Create a drum bus here. And then do is I'll add another instance of this core comp to the drum bus, and I'll put it in crush mode. So in crush mode, the attack and release times have been disabled. Body's still there. Threshold's been disabled as well. But then if you use the mixed blend, so about 30%. And what I can do is go through, if I get core comp onto the same track on every channel, now I'll be able to bypass all instances of core comp across the project, and yeah, let's see how it sounds. So when these go grey, that's then bypassed. Okay, so hopefully that gives people an idea of what this compressor is capable of and what kind of tonal characteristics it has. It's really inexpensive as well. It's only $29 at the minute. I think you can get this plus the N105 channel strip for $99 for the two of them. But yeah, at $29, this one's definitely worth checking out. Cheers.